Hello class, good morning. Our topic for today is translating real-life situations and word sentences into algebraic expressions. There are 620 and 85 pesos coins in a wallet. What is the total amount of money? So we can solve this by writing first the word phrase. So we can write the amount of money in wallet is the sum of peso values of 20 bills and 5 peso coins. And in algebraic expression, let's say that the sum of money is n. And we have 620 pesos, so 6 times 20 plus 5, 8 times 5. So if we're going to multiply 6 times 20, the answer is so the given problem can be written as n is equal to 6 times 20 plus 8 times 5. So if we're going to solve this one, 6 times 20 is 120, then 8 times 5 is 40. The total would be 140. It means that there is 140 pesos in the wallet. So, there are other words and phrases that are equivalent to the equality symbol equal. So, it can be written in phrase as is equal to, is the same as, gives, yields, was, will be, the result is. So, for example, the sum of 7 and 8 is equal to 15, then 7 plus 8 equal to 15. So if you read these phrases, then this is referring to equality or equal. When you say algebraic expression, it is a sentence that equates two algebraic expressions. So there is two algebraic expression in an algebraic equation, or there is an equal sign in the given algebraic expression. That is the difference with the algebraic expression. So to write the equivalent algebraic equation to a given word sentence, you have to translate the word phrases in the sentence to algebraic expressions. Replace the phrase is equal to or is by equal sign. So there is an equal sign in algebraic equation. Okay. The sum of 8 and 5 is the same as the sum of 10 and 3. So this word sentence is considered as algebraic expression if we write it in a number form, because we have two algebraic expressions here, the sum of 8 and 5 and the sum of 10 and 3, and there is an equality symbol which is the same as. So if we're going to write it in algebraic expression, we write first the algebraic expression of 8 and 5, the sum of 8 and 5, then it can be written as 8 plus 5. Next is the sum of 10 and 3. It can be written as 10 plus 3. So since there is an equality symbol or phrase between these two algebraic expression, then we can write it as 8 plus 5, the same as, that is synonymous to equal. So 10 plus 3. So this is the algebraic expression of the word sentence, the sum of 8 and 5 is the same as the sum of 10 and 3. 8 plus 5 is equal to 10 plus 3. So our next example is the sum of a number and 2 is 3. So let's write it in algebraic expression. First is the sum of a number and 2. Okay, so if we're going to write this one in an expression, it can be written a number is for n, sum 2. The sum of n and 2, okay? The sum of a number and 2, this one, okay? You can replace this word phrase by n plus 2, then is, okay? What is? Okay? Replace is by equal sign, okay? That is just equal, then 3. So the sum of a number and 2 is 3. So this word sentence can be written as n plus 2 for the sum of a number and 2, then is equal, then 3. Here are some examples of word sentence, then we will write it into algebraic expression. But before we write it in algebraic expression, we write first the before we write it in algebraic expression or equation, we should write it first in an algebraic expression first before equation. So this one, let's write this into an algebraic expression, the difference between x and 9. So we can write this as difference between 8 and 9. So difference means subtraction. 8 and 9 ay x and 9. So x minus 9. Then is, okay, you can replace is by equal or with the equal symbol, then write 5. So the equation of this word sentence, the difference between x and 9 is 5. X minus 9 is equal to 5. Next, the product of 3 and a number. Let's write this in a given expression. The product of 3 and a number. So we can write this 3 times a number. Then let's say that is n. Gives 24. Also gives can be changed in or replaced into equal sign. Then 24. Or you can write this one as 3 and 24. Next one is 4 more than a number is equal to 8. So 4 more than a number. How do we write this in given algebraic expression? 4 more than a number. Let's say that a number is n more than, means addition, then 4. So n plus 4, then is equal to equal sign, then 8. So 4 more than a number is equal to 8 can be written as n plus 4 is equal to 8. Then since you have clue here, 7 less than a number is 2. So first we start with a number, then let's say that is n. Then less than means that is subtraction. 7 is 2. Is equal, then 2. 7 less than a number can be written as 7 less than a number is 2 can be written as n minus 7 is equal to 2. So our last example is 3 kilos of rice cost 143 pesos. So the first step that we're going to do is let's identify the variable which stands for or which represent the price of 1 kilo. Let's say that N is equal to 1 kilo of rice, okay? Or the price of 1 kilo of rice. Okay. Let's change it. Price of 1 kilo of rice. Since in the given word sentence, 3 kilos of rice costs 143, then we just multiply it by 3. Okay, n should be multiplied into 3. So, 3 times n costs, okay, 143. It means that 3 kilo of rice is equal to 143 pesos. So, this is how you write this given word sentence into algebraic expression. 3 times n is equal to 143, or 3n is equal to 143 pesos. For your activity, answer practice A and B on page 278. Take a photo of your answer and send it by private message. Deadline January 29.